The red planet, as it's often called, is our celestial neighbour, the fourth rock from the Sun, and a world of profound interest in our quest to understand our place in the cosmos. Mars, with its rusty red surface, icy poles and thin atmosphere, presents a unique contrast to our blue and green home. It's a stark, barren landscape, seemingly inhospitable, yet tantalizingly similar to the arid deserts of Earth. Its significance, however, extends beyond its physical characteristics. Mars represents an opportunity, a new frontier, a challenge to our understanding of life and our capabilities as a species. Throughout history, humans have been fascinated by this enigmatic planet. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Greeks, recognized Mars in their cosmology, attributing to it various myths and legends. Fast forward to the age of the telescope, and Mars was no longer just a bright red point in the night sky, but a world to be explored, its features scrutinized by curious eyes from millions of miles away. The 20th century saw the dawn of space exploration. Mars, once the realm of gods and monsters in ancient tales, became a target for scientific inquiry. The earliest attempts were often met with failure. As rockets exploded, probes missed their mark or fell silent. Yet each failure was a stepping stone, a lesson learned, pushing us closer to the dream of setting foot on Martian soil. Now, as we stand on the brink of a new age, Mars exploration has become more than just a dream. It's a tangible goal, a mission that drives scientists, engineers and astronauts to push the boundaries of what's possible. As we venture further into this new frontier, we carry with us the hopes of humanity, the thirst for knowledge, and the audacious belief that life, as we know it, could one day thrive on Mars. From the first flyby to the latest rover, Mars has been the center of unprecedented missions. Our journey to Mars began in earnest in the mid-20th century, when the space race ignited a passionate quest for knowledge and exploration. Mars, with its tantalizing similarities to Earth, quickly became a prime target. The first successful flyby was achieved by Mariner 4 in 1965, a pioneering mission that gave us our first close-up images of the Martian surface. Fast forward to the late 70s, and we were ready to land. The Viking missions 1 and 2 not only landed on Mars, but also conducted the first successful search for microbial life, hinting at the possibility of life on the red planet. The turn of the millennium saw a flurry of rovers being sent to Mars. Spirit and Opportunity, twin rovers, roamed the Martian surface for many years, outliving their planned missions and providing priceless data about the planet's geology and climate. The Curiosity rover, launched in 2012, was a laboratory on wheels. It discovered that Mars once had conditions suitable for life and detected methane, a gas often associated with life on Earth. Most recently, we've seen the Perseverance rover land on Mars. This sophisticated machine is not just exploring the Martian surface, it is actively searching for signs of ancient life and will collect samples for future Mars sample return missions. In addition to rovers, orbiters like Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and MAVEN have been crucial in understanding the planet's atmosphere, climate and potential for holding water. But let's not forget the human element. The Mars Science Laboratory, a part of the Curiosity mission, has a team of scientists working round the clock, interpreting the data sent back by the rovers and making remarkable discoveries about our planetary neighbour. Each mission, each discovery brings us one step closer to answering the question, is there life on Mars? The search for life on Mars is not just about finding aliens, it's about understanding our own place in the universe. Mars, our celestial neighbour, has long been a subject of fascination. The question, is there life on Mars, has been echoing through the corridors of time, and the answer remains elusive. Our quest for extraterrestrial life often leads us back to this red planet, and for good reason. Evidence of water, the elixir of life, has been found on Mars. Ancient riverbeds, polar ice caps and underground lakes suggest that Mars was once a wet world. And where there's water, there's the potential for life. Not green-skinned aliens, mind you, but possibly microscopic life forms. Microbes, as we know, are tenacious survivors, capable of thriving in the harshest conditions. Could they have existed on Mars? Could they still be there, hidden beneath the surface? To answer these questions, we've sent rovers as our proxies to explore the Martian terrain. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and ears on Mars, scouring the landscape for signs of past or present life. They dig, drill and analyze Martian soil and rocks, looking for organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Future missions to Mars hold even more promise. They aim to bring back samples from Mars for analysis in our laboratories here on Earth. These Mars sample return missions could provide unprecedented insights into the Martian environment and its potential for life. But let's not forget, the search for life on Mars is more than a scientific endeavor. It's a journey of self-discovery. As we reach out to the stars, we learn more about ourselves. We're reminded of our own planet's fragility and the preciousness of life. While we have yet to find definitive proof of life on Mars, the search continues. Every discovery brings us one step closer to answering the age-old question: are we alone in the universe? The red planet beckons, and we continue to heed its call, ever hopeful of uncovering its secrets. As we look to the future, the exploration of Mars promises to unlock new frontiers. The prospect of Mars exploration is tantalizing, filled to the brim with potential discoveries and thrilling possibilities. A handful of bold missions are already in the pipeline, set to propel us further into this exciting era of interplanetary exploration. NASA's Mars Sample Return mission is one such initiative, aiming to return Martian soil and rock samples to Earth for detailed analysis. This mission could answer some of our most pressing questions about the Martian environment and potentially unveil signs of ancient life. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency and Roscosmos are collaborating on the ExoMars mission to search for biosignatures of Martian life, past or present. This mission will also explore the water and geochemical environment as a potential habitat for life. But it doesn't end there. The concept of human colonization of Mars is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. SpaceX's Starship, a spacecraft currently under development, is designed with the ambitious goal of carrying humans to Mars and establishing a self-sustaining colony. This audacious endeavor could fundamentally transform our relationship with the cosmos, marking a monumental step in human evolution. These missions and potential colonization efforts are more than just daring adventures. They represent the pinnacle of scientific and technological advancement. The challenges of Mars exploration are prompting us to innovate, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. From advancements in propulsion technology to breakthroughs in life support systems, the journey to Mars is driving us towards a future brimming with unprecedented technological prowess. As we journey deeper into the cosmos, we are also embarking on a journey of self-discovery. The exploration of Mars is an exploration of our own potential, our capability to innovate, adapt, and overcome. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of humankind, our insatiable curiosity, and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The red planet continues to beckon us, offering the promise of discovery and the potential for life. The mystery of life on Mars is far from solved. But every step we take brings us closer to the truth. It's a journey that has unfolded over decades, painted by the tireless efforts of scientists and explorers. We've traced the footprints of Mars exploration, from the first successful flybys to the latest rover missions, each venture unveiling a new layer of the Martian narrative. Our search for life, whether past or present, continues to be a driving force in this cosmic quest. From seeking signs of water to interpreting intriguing geological formations, every discovery is a piece of the interplanetary puzzle. The future of Mars exploration is a horizon filled with promise. As we harness technological advancements and foster international collaborations, the red planet's secrets may soon be within our grasp. As we continue to explore Mars, we not only seek to answer the question of life on another planet, but also to understand more about our own existence